Hello guys, welcome back to CID. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you convert any website in desktop application. As you can see, I have converted the YouTube website into desktop application YouTube. Okay, when I will click, then you will see here that the YouTube application is opening here and only YouTube is here. Okay, only YouTube website is here and it is converted into YouTube application in my computer. So how can you do that? Let me show you. First of all, you will need a computer and you have Microsoft Edge, right? As the browser, you can open the Microsoft Edge and let's open any website. Suppose I'm opening Facebook. Okay, so this is Facebook. Okay, I am opening our Facebook page, and now what I will do, I will just go here in the three dots and I will click on apps and I will say here that install this site as an app. So just click on it and it is asking for the name, that what will be the name. Okay, suppose I am naming it as CID page and install. So it is again asking that pin to taskbar, pin to start, create desktop shortcut. So let me click on create desktop shortcut and let's allow. Okay, and now what you will see here that it is converted into an application CID page, and now I can click on it and you will see here that it is opening Facebook with my page. Okay, you can see I can go to my profile and I can access the things. Then you will see here that I have converted the Facebook website into Facebook application for my desktop. Okay, so this is like this. So I hope guys you have enjoyed this info. If you have liked this video, then please hit on the like button and also subscribe if you have not. See you in next video. Thank you.